Today I am so excited because we are doing my Instagram followers picked my makeup. And they picked good because everything that they picked for me, I absolutely love, and I'm so freaking excited. So I created this whole look. I hope you're excited. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, then what the frick are you doing? Go follow me on Instagram at Bondbeautyful, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you can officially be a Bond Beauty. Then you can go in the comments and pick my makeup so I can do a YouTube subscribers pick my makeup. And let's see who freaking picked the best makeup. Instagram followers or YouTube subbies? I don't know. It's the battle of the followers. It's the battle going on of the followers, battling it out. So make sure you have subscribed, you follow me on Instagram, and you comment below and tell me what makeup that you want me to use. You gotta pick my makeup and be specific, guys. Be specific. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my brows because we need to do something with these brows. I got all of the Glossier, I got the Glossier Brow Flick, I got the Glossier, I got 2 of the Brow Flicks. This blonde is seriously blonde. Okay. Good to know that that blonde is actually blonde, like blonde as in you can't see hairs blonde. All right then, let's go in with, what is this, brown. Okay. Okay, there you go. This one's nice. I like that the brush is actually like more stiff, so you can, it's easier to work with, and I like it. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this boy brow on top. I like it, and this does look like my hairs. Like, it's a very good natural color. In the boy brow, I got the shade blonde, which now I'm thinking like I probably shouldn't have, but I did. But all right, this better be cement for my brows, guys. Okay, brows are done. Let's do eyes. So the palette you guys wanted me to use was the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. This is the first time that I bought a Huda Beauty palette, but this one's really pretty, so you guys it was between the Huda Naughty and then the other one that looks like this but lighter. So I chose this one because that one got the most likes, the most requests was that one. Oh, here we go. We're gonna go into rough. We're gonna go into rough, which is right here. This Huda, this palette better be like, ooh, it's super pigmented. Okay, we're starting off with lots of pigmentation. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get on the Huda Beauty bandwagon, but these eyeshadows, I can already tell I really like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're not going to get on that bandwagon. I'm going to be free-minded. I'm going to be opposite-minded of what everyone thinks. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm barely dipping in because it's so pigmented. And it's blending out so nice. Oh my word. Now, I didn't feel like that about the Huda Ruby Obsessions palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I didn't feel that way. I wasn't like, whoa, this is so good. But this one is really good, so I can see why you guys are asking about it. I'm glad because I just bought my friend this for her birthday. And I hope that it was a good palette. Okay, so I'm going to get into Hypnotic, which is right here. Which in the pan didn't look much different, just a little bit lighter, but now knowing how pigmented it is, I think it is going to make a difference. Yeah. So even though these look like they're kind of the same, I can see the difference on my eye because they're so pigmented. Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty. I'm excited. That's really pretty. Crease. So I'm going to go in with Juicy, which is a little bit pinker, a little bit darker. It's not pink, it's like mauve-y. Like, this is the perfect. And right above the crease, I'm just going to start working that in. This is like the perfect Valentine's palette. Because that's where my mind's at right now. On this outer part, I think I'm going to get into Naughty right here. Wow. I'm just going to do that now. This isn't like a tutorial, but I'm just letting you know what I'm getting into. That darker color. Ooh, these are so easy to use, but it's easy to use if you go in with a light hand. Always go in with a light hand, you guys, always, with your palettes. If you don't know how to use it, like if you've never used it before, it's new, go in with a super light hand. Okay. So I'm going to do a cut crease, and they have a lot of pretty colors here. Okay, so I'm going to try to get into this shade Passion. See what happens. Ooh, it's cool. Cool shade. Okay, I'm going to get into that. Just the pinker side. Ooh, that looks really cool. It's like a duochrome almost. Actually, I think I'm going to get into the same color but the brown side and put that in this outer part. I'm going to get into Filthy, which is up here. We'll see how this lightest color looks. Wow. Actually, for a light pink, I can tell it's pink on my eye. Sometimes there's like light pink colors in palettes that on your eye literally just look like it might as well be a cream because you can't really tell. That's nice. Ooh, I'm digging this look. It's pretty. My favorite ones of all time is Amore. They're my favorite. Those are my favorite lashes, which look like this. They're very flared out. But I bought a couple different ones too. I got Flare, Royal, which Royal is kind of like short. Like they're not as long, but they look really pretty. I'm kind of interested to see what these look like. So I think I'm going to pop some of these on. Go with this. I like the lashes. I like that they're short. They're more wearable. This is something I could wear all the time. So this one in Royal. Very, very pretty. Okay, let's move on. I don't know why you guys are obsessed with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, but you want me to put this on. And I can tell you right now, I don't like it. I used it a lot, but I don't like it. I like, my skin's dry, so I like more hydrating things. But let's put it on and see what happens. Because I am putting on a hydrating foundation, this might be okay on me. Does it help with pores and stuff and make you look a little more flawless? Yes, but I mean, I don't have a lot of pores, so that's not my issue. My issue is like the dryness, but it is a really good primer. So the foundation you have ignore my inner corner. That's gonna bother me, but I can't right now deal with that. These are new. We're gonna have to fix that later. And you wanted me to try the Fenty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I didn't like the Fenty foundation was okay, but honestly I didn't like it. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't like it. I have the shade here, 235. This isn't gonna be a review. I will do a review on this later, but you guys are just gonna see me try this. And I'm going to wet my sponge. I don't know if this is gonna be my right shade. Why does it smell like cupcakes? It's supposed to be hydrating. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. I think it's gonna match. Ooh. It's gonna match. Good. I hope it doesn't oxidize because her matte one, Pro Matte filter, whatever it's called, it oxidized and it looked terrible on me. You guys, I'm on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. I've been doing like makeup videos, mommy videos, like all kinds, just like to be fun and entertaining. So go check it out. Ooh, I like it. Looks nice. What do you guys think? I think this is a good color for me. You wanted me to test out the Nars Soft Matte Concealer. So I got the shade Light 2.75. And we're going to see what happens. Okay, let me fix my lashes real quick. Yeah, that's tight enough. Uh-oh, I really like this. This is a nice concealer. I actually really like it. I thought it was going to be super thick and emollient, although I don't mind those concealers. I like those. This is kind of thin, but has really good coverage and looks really nice. So I'm digging that. I'm digging that. Ooh, I'm liking that. Wow. All right, I'm going to set my foundation with, of course, the Peach Perfect. You guys didn't really say a powder, so I don't even know if I forgot to. I might have just forgotten to ask about a powder. For bronzer, I got a lot of Charlotte Tilbury, this specific bronzer, the airbrush bronzer. And I also got Physicians Formula bronzer. They both were kind of mentioned a lot, but we're going to go with this one right here. So we're going to see, this thing is expensive, what the whole fuss is about. What's the fuss about this bronzer? So let's put this on. So nice. Actually digging that. It's actually really nice. Oh guys, this was actually a very good pick. I was worried because it's expensive. I've bought in the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and although I like wanted to love it a lot, I kind of liked it, but it was a waste of money. It was a waste. For me, I felt like it was, but this one is actually really nice. I like this one way more than I liked that one. Ooh, I'm liking that. This is nice. This is pretty. Okay, blush. You guys wanted me to either use Nars Orgasm, or I got a lot of putty blushes, the e.l.f. putty blushes. So I'm going to do one of the e.l.f. putty blushes because I have all of them. I did recently do a review and swatch all of the e.l.f. putty blushes. I'll put the link of that video up in an iCard, but I swatched them all on my cheeks. And I'll use this one here. This one is called Caribbean or Caribbean. Looks like this. So I'm going to put this on, and I'll show you guys my favorite way to put it on. My favorite way to put this blush on is with a stippling brush, and I just get on into it. Get on into it. And just swipe it on. So we'll see. Oh, very lightly, because this is very pigmented. Very pigmented. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. This whole look is really pretty. Okay, before I get into like the highlights, I'm just going to finish my lower lashes with the Naughty palette. And I'm going to get into this color. And I'm going to get into Naughty for this outer corner. And I'm going to get into Tantric right here, which is beautiful gold. And I'm going to put that into the inner corner. I like it. For highlight, you guys specifically wanted me to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. So that's what I'm going to put on, because you specifically wanted this shade. So why not? It looks like this. It's so pretty. Okay, let's do it. Never tried a Maybelline highlight or this shade. Ooh. Ooh. This is nice. You guys are good. Guys, with your makeup picks, like, you guys know what's poppin'. Like, you don't even need me, because you know. You guys just need each other. Like, you could just totally cut me out, because this is nice. Oh, wow. That blended on so beautifully. Okay, the spray you wanted me to use is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This was literally the only thing you asked for. I would have thought there would have been another spray, but it was this one. So that's what we're going to use. Okay. Let's continually spray. the specific lipstick you wanted me to use is this freaking expensive Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, but not in any shade. Specifically the shade Nude Kate. So here we have Nude Kate. Ooh, beautiful. So I'm gonna pick a lip liner. Let's see here. This is my finished look. What do you guys think? Ooh, you guys made me look cute. You guys know, not even you guys, my Instagram followers know their makeup. They have it down. You want to compete with my Instagram followers? Then you need to tell me down below what you think I should pick for foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, eye palette, lashes, lip pencil. Don't forget all those little things that my Instagram followers forgot. Comment down below. Oh my gosh, my Instagram followers have set the bar up high. Bomb Beauty subby, comment below. What makeup do you pick for me? Be specific. Brows, lip pencil, eyeliner. Nobody picked eyeliner. Like, pick an eyeliner down there. Mascara, like lower lash mascara, because I need help with lower lashes. And let's see who picks the best makeup. Let's see. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't be too naughty. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.